Good day everyone. Let me share to you my answer in our activity in Managerial Economics Basic Estimation Techniques. Answer number 1 of technical problem on page 150 of the textbook. A simple linear regression equation relates R and W as follows. R equals A plus BW. The question and the answer. Letter A, the explanatory variable is W and the dependent variable is R. Letter B, the slope parameter is B and the intercept parameter is A. Letter C, when W is 0, R equals A. Letter D, for each 1 unit increase in W, the change in R is B units. Number 1, determine the degree of relationship between mathematical abilities of 8 college students as reflected in their entrance examination and their corresponding grades in statistics. Mathematics score represent the X, statistic grade represent the Y. To compute the XY, multiply the given mathematics to the given statistic grade. Example, 67 times 75 equals 5,025. 83 times 80 equals 6,640. To compute the X squared, multiply the X by itself. Example, 67 raised to 2 equals 4,489. 83 raised to 2 equals 6,889. To compute the Y squared, multiply the Y by itself. Example, 75 raised to 2 equals 5,625. 80 raised to 2 equals 6,400. After completed the table, get the total of X, Y, XY, X squared, and Y squared. The total of X equals 602. The total of Y, 595. The total of XY, 44,768. The total of X squared, 46,196. The total of Y squared, 44,795. For able to determine the relationship between mathematical score and in the statistic grade, compute the R first. The formula for R is R equals sum of xy minus n, mean of x, mean of y, over radical sign, sum of x squared minus n, mean of x raised to 2, sum of y squared minus n, mean of y raised to 2. Substitute the formula. R equals 44,768 minus 8, 75.25, 74.38 over 46,196 minus 8, 75.25 raised to 2, 44,795 minus 8, 74.38 raised to 2. R equals negative 0.012654016 or negative 0.01264. Next, compute the t. T equals radical sign n minus 2 over 1 minus r raised to 2. T equals radical sign 8 minus 2 over 1 minus negative 0.01264 raised to 2 equals T is negative 0.3097131 negative 0.03. Conclusion. There are no significant relationship between mathematical score and in the statistic grade because maybe the mathematics and statistics are different when it comes on form of studying. Number 2. The following data show the amount of rainfall in a given region and the corresponding sacks of rice harvested. The rainfall represents the X and the yield represents the Y. To compute the XY, multiply the given rainfall to the given yield. Example, 2.9 times 25 equals 70.5. 3.1 times 33 equals 9.61. To compute the X squared, multiply the X by itself. Example, 2.9 raised to 2 equals 8.41. 3.1 raised to 2 equals 9.61. After completed the table, get the total of X, Y, XY, and X squared. The total of X is 25.2. The total of y is 249.4. The total of xy is 642.76. The total of x squared is 66.02. A. Determine the least square regression equation. The formula b equals n summation of xy minus summation of x summation of y over n summation of x squared minus summation of x raised to 2. Substitute the formula. B equals 10 multiplied by 642.76 minus 25.2 to 49.4 over 10 multiplied by 66.02 minus 25.2 raised to 2 equals 5.67. A equals summation of y minus b summation of x over n. Substitute the formula. A equals 249.4 minus 5.67 multiplied by 25.2 divided by 10 equals 10.65. Y equals a plus bx equals 10.65 plus 5.67x. Letter B. Estimate the rice yield if the amount of rainfall is 3.5 inches. Y equals a plus bx equals 10.65 plus 5.67x equals 10.65 plus 5.67 multiplied by 3.5. Y equals 30.495 or 39.50. Number 3. The following data show the performance of some employees and their respective number of years with the company. The number of years represent the x and the productivity represent the y. To compute the xy, multiply the given number of years to the given productivity. Example, 2.5 times 87 equals 217.5. 3.0 times 82 equals 246. To compute the x squared, multiply the x by itself. Example, 2.5 raised to 2 equals 6.25. 3.0 raised to 2 equals 9. To compute the y squared, multiply the y by itself. Example, 87 raised to 2 equals 7,569. 80 raised to 2 equals 6,400. After completing the table, get the total of x, y, xy, x squared, y squared. The total of x is 50.1. The total of y is 831. The total of xy is 4,150.2. The total of x squared is 349.07. The total of y squared is 69,229. Letter A. Determine the degree of relationship between the performance of the employees and their respective number of years with the company. For able to determine the relationship between the performance of the employees and their respective number of years, compute the R first. The formula for R is R equals summation of xy minus n, mean of x, mean of y, over radical sign, summation of x squared minus n, mean of x, raised to 2, summation of y squared minus n, mean of y raised to 2. Substitute the formula. R equals 4,150.2 minus 10 multiplied by 5.01, 83.1 over radical sign 349.07 minus 10, 5.01 raised to 2, 69,229 minus 10, 83.1 raised to 2. R equals negative 0.1006790993 or negative 0.1006. T equals R radical sign n minus 2 over 1 minus r raised to 2 equals negative 0.1006 radical sign 10 minus 2 over 1 minus negative 0.1006 raised to 2 equals negative 2.8284271247 or negative 2.83. There are no significant relationship between the performance of the employees and their respective number of years with the company. Determine the simple linear regression equation. The formula is b equals n summation of xy minus summation of x summation of y over n summation of x squared minus summation x raised to 2. Substitute the formula. B equals 10 multiplied by 4,150.2 minus 50.1 times 831 over 10 multiplied by 349.07 minus 50.1 raised to 2 equals negative 0.1337 or negative 0.13. A equals summation of y minus b summation of x over n. A equals 831 minus negative 0.1337 multiplied by 50.1 divided by 10 equals 83.769837 or 83.77. Y equals a plus bx equals 83.77 plus negative 0.1337x. Letter C. Draw the linear trend. This is the linear trend. Y equals negative 0.1337x plus 83.77 r raised to 2 equals 0.0101. Letter D. Project the employee's productivity if he has been working with the company for the last 21.7 years. Is this projection accurate? Explain your answer. Y equals a plus bx. Y equals 83.77 plus negative 0.13x equals 83.77 plus negative 0.13 multiplied by 21.7 equals 80.949 or 80.95. It is accurate because employees' productivity calculated based on the amount of output project. Thank you and God bless. I'm Jenifer Lactaotao from BSA 1.